So for the hair, you can really do anything. I just had it in a braid and I took it out. Then I'm just going to be priming my face with this Maybelline face primer, and then I'll be using this Rimmel London foundation. Then I'll be using this Maybelline concealer for my under eyes and any other blemishes I have. And then I'm using this Essence palette for my brows, just like a brow powder palette. And I'll be using this Rimmel London concealer to shape my eyebrows. Then I'll just be using this Rimmel London powder and putting that all over my face. Then I'll be using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil to prime my eyes, and then I'll be using this Maybelline eyeshadow palette, and I'm putting like a black in my crease, and then I'm using this NYX single eyeshadow, and it's like a white shimmery color, and I'll be putting that all over my lid. And then I'm just winging out my eyeliner using this NYX liquid eyeliner, and at your inner tear duct, I'm just doing kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like that tear duct thing. You'll be able to see in the video, but yeah. And then under my eye, I'm just using this Essence black like pencil eyeliner to line my bottom lash line. And then I'm just using these fake eyelashes. Yeah. And then I'll just be using this Maybelline mascara to kind of like enhance my eyelashes. I don't know. Yeah. So now what you need to do is just, you could either use black eyeliner like I'm using, face paint, or like whatever, and just like draw like a nose, like how you can see in the video. Then for this next step, you could either use eyeliner, as I said, that's what I'm using, or you could use black face paint or black lipstick, but yeah, you just have to like fill in your lips so you have black lips. And then once you do that, just draw on some whiskers like shown in the video, so because that's an important part. And then to bring it all together, just draw a straight line down from the nose to your lips. And then yeah, that's the finished makeup look for this costume. So my dress is from Forever 21. Then I'm also just wearing these black, like, leggings, tights, whatever you call them. And then I'm just wearing these cat ears from Forever 21. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And yeah, sorry that I haven't been uploading a lot recently. Just, yeah, I'm sorry. But I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
There you play your cards.